Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by claiming the immediate space, clear a 0, 5m circle and lay a 1/2 cup of salt to ground the ritual. Open the book to pages 13-17 and mark the sigil in charcoal so your focus has a visual anchor. Hold a single metal ring between thumb and forefinger. Doing so completes the conductive loop the text requires. Read the first 3 lines aloud slowly because speaking anchors intent. Once done, pause, breathe, and feel the cadence settle before moving. You now trace the sigil clockwise 3 times, maintaining steady pressure so your hand movement records a consistent temporal vector. Recite the timing phrase at a normal speaking pace and emphasize the second word to bias the intended frequency toward slowing. Once done, close your eyes for 10 seconds and visualize the present moment stretching outward like elastic. This directs attention and stabilizes the field. Make sure to breathe evenly. If your breath tightens, the effect destabilizes, so anchor with slow, measured inhale. You finish by pressing your palm over the sigil for 5 seconds to seal intent. This final contact locks the pattern into place. Test the result using a small, safe object. Drop a pen and observe whether its motion appears slowed. That visual confirmation tells you the field is active. If the effect is weak or unstable, blot the sigil gently with water to dissipate residual charge. Wait 1 minute, and restart from page 13. Troubleshoot by slowing your breathing and recentering attention before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.